Yes, Judge.
Hi. What did I see where she pled to count 2, but there is no notation of how did she plead to count 2?
I believe there's a no contest plea, Judge.
All right. And are you Adela Rodriguez?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you enter a no contest plea to count 2?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. We're here for sentencing. According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison and the state is silent on your application. They're taking in consideration NIMAG number 6933985 and 6933984. Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI report, State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Judge.
Any objections to the PSI report, State?
No, Your Honor.
Defense?
No, Your Honor, just some, I would like to argue some clarification we may.
All right, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. As the judge has seen in this PSI, Ms. Rodriguez accepts responsibility for this incident offense and has expressed her remorse for being in this situation. As the court can tell, there is a little bit of a checkered past of her, 50 years of being on resident of San Antonio, but the last 10 years or so have been pretty clean. The one thing that I noted on this PSI is that normally there's, especially in the TAP evaluation, there's sometimes language about how an individual is not motivated for bettering themselves or for helping themselves with any difficulties that may be out there. That's not the case with Ms. Rodriguez. She's actively willing to participate in whatever is necessary. The recommendation is for residential treatment at this time, Your Honor, and we would just ask the court to consider, in the interest of justice and the totality of the circumstances, to allow Ms. Rodriguez to begin, if the court is gracious enough in the interest of justice, to grant her community supervision, allowing her to begin such community supervision by permitting her to either sink or swim through outpatient treatment. In the alternative, Judge, if in the court's wisdom, the court believes that the inpatient treatment recommendation is appropriate, we would ask that the court sentence Ms. Rodriguez, but allow her to turn herself in tomorrow, come here to the courtroom, or however the court would like us to do that. There are just a couple of matters that Ms. Rodriguez needs to immediately take care of, but she'd be available to come in first thing in the morning, knowing that by not doing so, it would only make life worse for her. And as the court can see from the pre-sentence investigation and her appearances and behavior before this court, before this day, that is outside of what is in her best interest, and she's aware of that.
All right, anything you wish to say?
No, ma'am.
All right. So I always reread the police report and read the PSI report. And so this is drugs wrapped in plastic baggies.
Okay.
So that doesn't appear to signify personal use. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court will find you guilty. Court is going to sentence you to 6 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served, take in consideration NIMAG number 6933985, 6933984. Going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the